The Office of the Student Affairs or OSA. Under the Office of the Student Affairs or OSA is the Prefect of Discipline or POD. Meet the Student Affairs staff. Mr. Marlon G. Gabitano, the Prefect of Discipline from grade 4 to 7. Mrs. Myla P. Kula, the Prefect of Discipline from grade 8 to 12. The two office assistants, Mr. Archer Villaroa and Ms. Presa I. Guzman, and yours truly as the Vice Principal of the Student Affairs, Mrs. Melissa R. Montaire. OSA classification of activities. OSA determines the activities whether curricular, co-curricular, or extracurricular. OSA functions, scope of work, and services. The Prefect of Discipline. All matters and concerns of the Prefect of Discipline is under the jurisdiction of the Student Affairs. The activities, whether curricular that are subject related, co-curricular which are specifically the clubs, and extracurricular which are the outside school activities. Students are encouraged to enroll in one club. Clubs are categorized into sponsored or interest clubs. One of the interest clubs that significantly functions even after the end of the school year is the debate club. For club offerings, communication or letter to parents via e-disc. Among the sponsored clubs are the following: the Supreme Student Government, in which the election is towards the end of the school year, and the Link, the in charge of publications, school paper, and the yearbook or Laurus. Citizenship Advancement Training or CAT conducts an advanced recruitment or screening to grade 9 students towards the end of the school year. Outside school activities are invitations whether to participate, render services, or join in the contest. It must be endorsed or facilitated by the school or the student affairs. The computation of the co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Activities must be recognized or endorsed by the student affairs for the points to be credited to the co-curricular or extracurricular computation. Summer classes are offered depending on the availability of the teachers. Lockers are offered on a first come, first served basis, and communication indicating the registration or schedule of rentals and leasing period via ADIS. The Office of the Student Affairs distributes the USB, photos, and Laurus. Please note that the deadline for the picture taking will be strictly implemented to avoid delays. We also cater the request of facilities like the gym, classroom, or AVR in coordination with the librarian. The calendar of activities are reflected in the student affairs. Activity ban is imposed 1 week before and during the exams. However, if the activity is deemed urgent and necessary, activity form must be obtained. Yard duty. Students must stay only at a designated area while waiting for their transport. They are not allowed to stay in the restricted areas of the school or in any area where they are not supposed to be seen. For inquiries, you may call the telephone numbers indicated or email us at osa@psdqatar.com.